there, I'm Amelia and I'm a Solutions Engineer here at Sigma. I'm thrilled to introduce Customer 360, a cutting-edge data application my partner Curtis and I built to help promote the ongoing digital transformation of customer success management and operations. Customer 360 introduces a unified view of real-time customer data and supercharges its impact with interactive, data-driven AI insights and recommendations from the custom productionized AI models and prompts that we built on the back end here. Within Sigma's secure, scalable, and robustly flexible data exploration platform, these assets are especially useful for customer success departments to make more timely and effective decisions. To give you a sense of what this solution looks like in action, let's check out the profile of one of our top fictitious customers, Acme Corp. So here at the top, we have a comprehensive account overview showing key data points from Salesforce, including ARR, the company website, and key account contacts. This top-level view ensures that everyone is aware of critical business facts, relationships, and financial figures. A little further down the page, we see sentiment and interaction trends over time, and are given the option to break the data out by source for more granular insights. AI summaries with strategic recommendations, it's as easy as clicking any point in the scatterplot view. So in other words, we can either generate AI summaries and recommendations per the observations across aggregated source data in a specific interaction period, like this. So in the week of October 24th, 2021, we can get a summary across all of the interaction sources. And we can also break this out by source to get a little deeper into the insights available. So I'll go ahead and click the intercom dot and check out this summary here on the right. So it appears that there is some room for improvement here. And I would love to be steered even further in the right direction. So I will go ahead and navigate to my AI Insights page. And now I have the option of viewing an even deeper summary and asking follow-up questions about the customer's priorities, their churn risk, and any available upsell opportunities. While this functionality is powerful on its own, Sigma's intuitive interface makes it even more valuable because it enables any user to quickly and painlessly validate, augment, refine, and leverage these insights for more strategic action planning. One cool thing to mention at this point is that on the back end of Customer 360, we configured input tables and custom functions to make multi-agent workflows for our testing, tuning, and productionizing of Cortex prompts for general usage. And even though we built this using Snowflake's AI functionality, the solution could actually be repurposed for any model in any data warehouse with minimal overhead. Now imagine what you could do if you combined all of this power with webhook export automations, conditional alerting, and collaborative notes linked to specific accounts or interactions. Not only does this keep stakeholders informed about trends, but it keeps them aligned. The sentiment tracking page here even offers visual insights into both internal and external sentiments, which helps us manage relationships better too. This solution is more than a slick interactive dashboard. It's a game changer for customer success. It unifies data, provides real-time AI insights, and fosters collaboration, driving strategic improvements and potentially unlocking new revenue streams. So we hope you're as excited as we are about Customer 360.